good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today, it pretty much is some footage, or it's gonna be some footage that I didn't put up. I've been meaning to put it up. Everybody, when I did the video with my boy Angry Yankee, y'all remember Ford the 66 Impala, and I rode in that I think it's a Dart. Don't get me wrong, I don't know them Plymouths and all that. I don't know them cars. I'm not finna sit up here and tell you I know. But I rode in it, and we went to Mexico. Made a hit. I did a ride race in it basically. So I'm gonna get back with him though, and we're gonna do a full ride race. But yeah, I rode in that bad boy, and you know, I'm finna give y'all that footage and all that, cause it really not nothing going on today. I'm not messing with the cars. I'm pretty much at a standstill cause of Dolo. Got me at a standstill. Y'all see I got another cover on meat. Finally came. So I got the new cover on meats. We got him back covered up. Thought I ordered two. I gotta get one for wifey car. So we gotta get one coming for wifey car and all that. And you know, Dolo over here, I still crank it up, make sure everything. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Said give y'all that footage, but I had to come on here and talk to y'all, give y'all a good old intro, tell you what's going on. And oh yeah, look, today is Monday, and this week, this Sunday, I'll have my first car meet. You probably saw the little flyer I made. I put up in the as a post on here. So I have my first car meet this Sunday. Come out, man, come out in my hometown, Monroe, Georgia. If you're able to make it, come out. That's why I'm saying that at the beginning of the week. I had posted it last week on my Facebook, and I had mentioned it to kind of give people a heads up. So if you're able to make it, come on out. It's just a car meet. It's not a car show. So just bring your cars out, man. All rides are welcome. Like I said, the big rim cars, the classics, no rims, stock cars, exotics, imports, whatever, man. Bikes, race car, pull them on the trailer, man. Y'all know Cuzzo gonna be out there anyway. He might drive there cause it ain't that far from his house. It's a little bit over 660 feet, but he might make it. If he don't run out of gas. but yeah, just come out, man, for real. A lot of the people y'all see in the videos, they'll be out there. I know my boy CJ coming through in the Hell Camino. And it's a lot, man. You know, I plan on this hard head right here. He'll be out there. Meech will be out there for sure. That's guaranteed. Dolo, I know everybody want to see Dolo. I'm gonna try my best to have it out there, man. If DJ get the transmission to me in time to where I can get it in the car and stuff and test it out, I'll be out there. We'll have Dolo out there, and I'll throw the rims back on it. They have it out there, and then I just take them back off when I get ready to do the alignment, which will be this week. So, like I said, I hope I be able to have Dolo out there. I definitely have Meech out there, cause y'all know Meech running. Meech always on go. So, the car meet this Sunday, Monroe, Georgia. Like I said, Monroe, Georgia. So you can make traveling plan, man. Hey, don't be scared to travel. I love to meet y'all. Especially the ones I haven't met, I love to meet y'all. And if you in Georgia, you definitely ought to try to make it, man. Just come on through. Even if you're in South Georgia and all that, man, I ride everywhere. I hit the road, man. It's at 2 o'clock. They give people time enough, you know, to get here. We do it early, so we won't be out there all day. Cause if you traveling far, I try to be considerate. You know, if let's say you traveling 3 hours out and all that, so you get back home in a timely fashion. Cause I think I'm gonna do it from 2 to about 6. 2 to 6, 2 to 5, 5 or 6. So that mean, if people traveling, you know, you ain't got to get a hotel if you don't want to. You can just hit the road, go back home. If you got somebody coming with you, your family, y'all, hey, switch driver seats, and then, you know, go back. But I'm doing this. I'm gonna start doing it once every other month, and I'm gonna start doing it in different areas. So it ain't gonna be just in my hometown. It'll be sometime I'm gonna start coming to different states. So if you want me to do a car meet in your state, comment below, let me know. I'm like I said, I'm really gonna start doing it, cause I like to meet everybody that support me, and I know that people all over the world. So I'm gonna start doing this, and sometime pull my cars. I got a trailer now, so I'm gonna pull the car sometime, I'm gonna bring one, all that, you know, hey, we're gonna start moving around or whatever. So, yep, that's the end of this intro. I want to talk to y'all. I definitely had to put up something to tell y'all about the car meet, because I want y'all to come out. I really do. It's a good networking opportunity too. If you're trying to get into YouTube, because a lot of y'all message me and say I'm trying to get into YouTube, it's a good time, because a lot of people, it's going to be a lot of YouTubers out there, small, big, medium, whatever. It's going to be a lot of people for you to network with out there. So come out, man. I'm going to try to get some of the people that been in the ride racks and all that. Hopefully they can come out. Basically, everybody y'all see in my videos, I'm going to try to have them out there. I'm going to try to have them out there. I'm literally going to reach out to everybody that been in the video, they're my people. Hope y'all can have them out, and hope to have them out there. I know Cuzzo will be out there. I hope Slick Rick can be out there. He be working on Sunday though, so he might not be able to make it. But everybody else, they should be there. They should be there. So yep, that's the end of my intro. We're gonna get into that footage. Like I said, I've been wanting to put this up, man, but I just ain't edited for whatever reason. So hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm gonna actually get with his name Phil. I'm gonna actually get with Phil and do a real deal, a whole day. Cause that car, you talking about a 5-figure plus small block. That's all I'm saying. 5-figure plus small block in that car, and then hey, it's a grown man. So I'm gonna get with Phil and we're gonna do a real deal ride, get down. But like I said, I'm gonna try my best. Like I said, well, DJ, I know he bad though. I'm not rushing him though. I'm not rushing DJ, cause we got meets. I would love to have both of them out there. My first meet, I like to have all three of my cars, but the Camaro, I don't think the Camaro gonna make that. I just don't see it. But meets definitely be out there. So if you come from out of state or far away, even in Georgia, you'll get to see at least this one in person. And you know, hey, I like to take pictures with everybody and all that, cause especially the one that come in every day. If you can come out, come out. Then if I get the transmission, let's say, if I get the transmission at least Thursday or Friday at the latest, this one will be out here. If I don't get it before then, if I get it on Saturday, it won't be out there, because I'm not going to rush and put it in. So I'm just going to tell people that now. So alright, but yeah, that's it. That's the intro. I want to tell y'all all that. So now we just going to get into the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright y'all, so on the way over there, I'm going to be riding in this bad machine right here. My buddy Phil, man, this thing here is sick. Clean too. Very clean. It's bad too. It's bad, real street car. So this what I'm gonna be riding in for now. So y'all just stay tuned. That's what it is.
There's that flat spot in the inside of the quarter panel where it is.
Gotcha. Right, y'all, so we're riding. This thing crazy, y'all. Feel real good. On the motor too. Feel real good. Hey man, hey, this thing crazy. That's crazy. But it's car to feel like that. Straight motor, so y'all can imagine what it feel like on nitrous. And you can drive it anywhere. Man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all in for a treat. Alright y'all, here we go. Hey, yeah, it was a nice nice little hit right there, y'all. Sweet, this thing rolling. It's rolling. It's rolling, y'all.